One thing I have learned over the years as a homemaker is this. If I want to wake up to a fresh smelling home, the work doesn't start in the morning. It starts the night before. These are the simple habits that have helped me keep our home smelling fresh without relying on expensive product or spending hours deep cleaning every day. For me, everything starts with my evening reset because when yesterday is taken care of before I go to bed, tomorrow begins with peace. Every evening before I go to bed, I like to reset my home, especially my kitchen. The dishes are washed or neatly put away on days that I feel heavy. The countertops are wiped down. Everything is put back where it belongs. One thing I don't enjoy is waking up to yesterday's mess waiting for me. That simple reset means I wake up to a kitchen that is ready for a new day instead of reminding me of the last one. Our kitchen bin goes out every single night, even if it's not completely full. And this is because food waste is one of the quickest ways for unwanted smells to build up in a home. So taking it out before bed means I never have to wake up to yesterday's rubbish smelling in my kitchen. In our home, my husband takes care of the main kitchen bin, while my boys help with the paper and the plastic recycling. We live in Belgium and we take recycling of our trash seriously. I also like involving everyone because this is our home. When everyone contributes, homemaking feels lighter and the children learn responsibility at the same time. These few minutes every evening make a huge difference. So instead of waking up to yesterday's smells, I wake up to a fresh start. The second step I want to share with you is my 2-minute sink ritual. Another habit that has become part of my evening routine is my sink ritual. Before I go to bed, I make sure there are no food scraps left in the sink, especially during summer days when they can quickly begin to smell. Once the sink is clean, pour a little vinegar down the drain. Leave it for a few minutes and I follow it up with boiled water. It's a very simple habit. It costs very little. It only takes a couple of minutes. But it's one of those little routines that helps keep my kitchen smelling fresh without spending money on expensive products. When I wake up in the morning, one of the first things I do is to open the windows. Before I spray anything or light a candle, which I rarely do because I have kids and it's very expensive to find non-toxic candles around. So I let fresh air move through the house. And in my opinion, I think no air freshener can truly replace fresh air because I believe that it removes stale air instead of simply covering it up. So I go ahead and open the windows in my bedroom, windows in the kitchen, the windows in the living room, and I've also taught my boys to do the same in their room so that the house can breathe. Step 4 are the little habits that keeps everything fresh. I've realized that keeping a home smelling fresh isn't about one big job. It's about paying attention to the little things throughout the day. I don't leave damp towels sitting around because moisture can quickly create unpleasant odor, especially the bathroom mat and kitchen towels. I let them dry properly and change them regularly. Another habit I never underestimate is my quick 3 to 5 minute bathroom and toilet reset that I like to do every morning. As a boy mom, little accidents happen. They are learning, but that is also part of childhood. So doing a quick daily reset of the toilet set around the toilet space keeps everything fresh and saves me from spending much longer time on deep cleaning later. And after cooking, I open the windows again if they were not open, wipe down the kitchen counters or the surfaces, clean up any spills before moving on. This little habit stops smells from building. It actually stops them before they become a problem. So for me, a fresh smelling home isn't about impressing visitors, and it certainly isn't about deep cleaning every single day. It's about creating a home that feels peaceful for the people who actually lives here. A home you enjoy walking into, a home that welcomes your family at the end of the day. I have learned that peace at home is usually built through small, consistent habits. So before I go further, I hope one of these simple habits encourages you today. If you're trying to create a peaceful home without burnout, I would love for you to subscribe because that's exactly what I share here. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Be practically impossible. Just start with one habit. And I would also love to hear from you. What's that one habit that helps keeps your home smelling fresh? Share this in the comment section because we all can learn from one another. Remember, as always, God loves you. Do not let anything or any circumstance makes you feel otherwise. You're loved. For his word says, he made you in his own image, and the plans he has for you are plans for good, are plans to prosper you.